Now I am going to discuss the concept of statement sums involving speed. That means we are given questions in which the speed is involved and we are supposed to find the speed of one item or the other. For example, in this question we are given that the distance between the 2 points is 340 kilometers. A train starts from one point and another starts from B, and the speed of the train is 5 kilometers more than the speed of the other train. If the distance between the two trains after 2 hours is 30 kilometers, find the speed of the trains. That means we are given that the distance between the 2 points is 340 kilometers. That means if we are given train is at point A, other starts from B, and the total distance is 340 kilometers. Another thing that is given is that the speed of one train is more than the other by 5 kilometers. In these type of questions, let us take the speed of first train. Let the speed of first train equal to x kilometers per hour. The speed of second train will be x plus 5 kilometers per hour. The speed of the first train is x kilometers per hour, and then the speed of the second train will be x plus 5 kilometers per hour, because it is given that the speed of the one train is 5 kilometers per hour more than the other. Now the distance, we know that speed is equal to distance upon time, or we can say that distance is equal to speed into time. That means the distance will be equal to the speed of the train into the time for the train is moving. As we are given that if the distance between the two trains after 2 hours, that means both the trains have travelled for 2 hours. So we will find the distance of first train. Distance of first train in 2 hours. It will be equal to speed into time. That speed is x and time is 2, so it will be 2x kilometers. And the distance of the second train in 2 hours will be, now the speed is x plus 5 and into 2, that means 2x plus 10 kilometers. And we know that after one has started from A, the other has started from B. Let us suppose the first train has covered the distance of 2x and this has covered the distance of 2x plus 10. And the distance now, after 2 hours, the distance between the two trains is 30 kilometers. That means from this point to this point, the distance is 30 kilometers. So we can say that according to question, we can say that 2x plus 30 plus 2x plus 10 will be equal to 340. Because the total distance between A and B is 340, that means 2x plus 30 plus 2x plus 10 should be equal to 340, or we can say that 2x 4x plus 40 is equal to 340, or we can say 4x is equal to 340 minus 40, 4x is equal to 300, or x is equal to 75 kilometers per hour. So we can say that the speed of first train is equal to 75 kilometers per hour, and the speed of second train will be 75 plus x, that means 75 plus 5, that means 80 kilometers per hour. So this is how we can solve these type of questions. Let us summarize. We were given that the distance between the 2 points was 340 kilometers. A train starts from point A and the other starts from point B. The speed of one train is 5 kilometers per hour more than the other train. If the distance between the two trains after 2 hours is 30 kilometers, find the speed of the trains. That means we were given the distance to be, total distance between A and B was 340 kilometers, and both the trains have travelled for 2 hours. So let us first assume the speed of first train to be x kilometers per hour, then the speed of the second train will be x plus 5 kilometers per hour. we know that speed is equal to distance upon time, and from this we derive that distance is equal to speed into time. That means if we multiply the speed with the time, we will get the distance travelled. So we will find the distance travelled by the first train in 2 hours is 2 into x, because 2 is the hours and x is the speed, so the distance will be 2x. And the distance travelled by the second train will be x plus 5 into 2, or that means 2x plus 10. So that so if we say that A reaches point C, then the distance between A and C is 2x, and distance between B and D is 2x plus 10. And we know that after 2 hours the distance between the two trains is 30 kilometers. That means the distance between C and D is 30 kilometers. So according to question, we can say that the distance between AC plus CD plus DB is equal to 340, or we can say 2x plus 30 plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 340, and on solving the equation I get x is equal to 75 kilometers per hour. That means the speed of the first train is 75 kilometers per hour, and the speed of the second train will be 75 plus 5, that is 80 kilometers per hour.